Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irene here and I'm very happy to see you. Today I'm opening up another package and I would call it, the carrier oil package because this is the most of the things I've got. So if you're into DIY recipes, right, and you're into essential oils, the main thing you do need to have is the carrier oil because you always need to dilute the essential oils mostly all the time. So I will just tell you briefly about what I have here. So the coconut oil, I love the bottle. You might laugh, it's stupid, but it's not. They have here a very good system. You've seen it in my videos where you just pump and it gives you an exact amount of, I believe, even 1 tablespoon. So sometimes I don't bother, I just have a few drops of essential oil in my palm, then I pump this coconut oil and I'm all good. I'm blended. I could really right away apply it to my body and enjoy the benefits. So I really like it and it will last you a long time. Now this one's really, where did you guys go? So this one is the evening primrose oil. So it's very important to store it in the refrigerator, I tell you right away. This oil is really good for mature and dry skin. It has revitalizing properties. It's very rich in omega-6 fatty acids. So if you are making anything like really luxurious, like for maybe under eye area, or really if you have any rashes or dry skin, sensitive skin, this is the best oil to go with. I didn't order a large bottle because I don't really need to. By the way, the shelf life is 9 to 12 months, but you need to either refrigerate it or store it in a really cool, dark place. And the jojoba oil, this is one of the most favorite oils. By the way, I have this one organic, this one not, and this one organic. So this is the best oil, guys, you could get for your skincare if you're mixing your essential oils because it's great for oily skin, acne-prone skin. It will not clog your pores. It has very long shelf life. It will last you 2 years, believe it or not. You could store it in a cool, dry place. And the reason it's so good for all skin types because it's like a liquid wax and it really resembles your natural skin sebum. It can really do wonders for your skin and hair, and I believe they have a very good quality product and good pricing as well. Now I only got I think one extra thing here. They have a new thing, like before completely checking out, they are offering you something, they decide what it is, for like almost half price. And I have my baby has a little cough right now and it doesn't go away. It's a sniffle stopper. It's kid safe. So it's actually my first blend here in the roll-on bottle, which I've never ordered it before because I think it's you save more money if you just get the whole thing and blend it itself. But this time I figured it's good pricing and I would just try it. So instead of buying the whole thing, I would just try it just a little. So this is it, guys. PlantTherapy is one of the best websites. You could buy your essential oils. It doesn't cost you a foot and a leg. They do have all the reports and all the proper information a company selling essential oils must have. So I think it's definitely worth checking out. They do have great coupons sometimes when you can really save the money. They have various sales throughout the year, and you can also save the points, which is the point, right? So I personally bought a diffuser on my points saved. So this is it, guys. I hope it was informative. If you have any questions, please do ask them. I'll be happy to answer all the questions. Thank you so much for your support and attention. Put a thumbs up if you like this video, and I wish you to be very happy and healthy, and I will be glad to see you later.